up, guys? So here we go. It's at 100%. The batteries are 100% charged up. So now I can install this battery. This one should be full 100%, and I can install, but I'm gonna test it, whatever, just make sure it's about 100% or close to it. So now I can install the batteries. So what I'm gonna do is shut this off here. I also ordered a few things to just kind of improve things, you know, here. And let me shut off the power. Shut off the power there. Okay, and then now I'm gonna start messing around with that. I'm just gonna install these there, and that's what I'm gonna do right here. Okay, that's shut off, that shut that off. Okay, I'm just gonna add those in. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly use this voltmeter to test the voltage here on this one, and then test the voltage over here. So I can't hold this with both hands. Alright, so I'm gonna be testing how many volts the new battery has compared to the ones that are reading as they're fully charged. So I'm gonna do that right now. The single one has 13.17 volts, and the one that's in parallel, the two that I have, I'm gonna test the voltage. That's 13.18. So that's pretty much fully charged. And now what I'm gonna do is connect the new battery with these two gauge cables, and it should pretty much work. Okay, so I connected the third battery in. Everything went pretty good. I switched the switch on to allow the battery's power to go through positive area, and I turned on the solar panels. So everything looking good. It's showing that it's charging. Everything will equalize. Even with like a little fraction off the battery, it's going to equalize eventually. But that's nothing. That was nothing. That was pretty much full anyway. Let me just take a little quick peek of these. Okay, just started this. 13 volts. See, 100% full battery. Perfect. So I'm gonna crank this up here because I just plugged in the ICERIVER KSO miner for Kaspa, and I'm just gonna crank that up, and there you go. Free money. Free money. That's my third battery. I'm trying to get 8 batteries, so hopefully maybe next week I can get some batteries. I mean another battery. If not, then we'll see what happens. And then I'll follow it all the following week. But everything looks like it's running. Okay, let's see what's going on. $17 volts on the panels, 1.48 amps. That must be maybe some clouds hit it already. It's already in the afternoon anyway. But it's at 100%, right? Yep, 100% charge. So it's doing pretty good, you know. It's been about 6 hours already, and it's at 76%. I'm mining the Kaspa with the ICERIVER KSO, so it's doing pretty good. 76. It swings, you know. This thing, you know. See how it went up to 84. It's not that accurate, you know. I mean, it's not that accurate. I gotta get the other meter. They have another meter that I could connect to that's way more accurate than the one that comes on here. So, you know. But whatever. So I got this tool here, this crimping tool, this ferrule, that's what they call it, a ferrule crimping tool because I wanna change this part here. See how this cables it up here like this? So I wanna remove these cables. I mean, I could shut this off now because the solar is off because it's nighttime. So I'm gonna shut off the solar. We don't need the solar now. And I can remove this cable right here. I gotta unscrew it, and then I'm gonna use these ferrules at the end and crimp them, and then insert them back in. I'm gonna do the same thing with the bottom one here, as well as over here. These 4 cables. The negative I don't need it because that's all. I'm using those are screwed and bolted on, whatever. But just these 4, these 2 here, and those 2 up there. Okay, so tomorrow, yeah, like I said, tomorrow I'm getting. I think I was tracking down the panels, and I saw it, and it appears to look like the panels may be coming in tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure. It's still scheduled for Thursday, but they did reach close by my area, and I might get them tomorrow. The panels, the 2 panels, but I might just put 1 up tomorrow. You know, but as far as the system itself is doing pretty good. You know, for 6 hours I had that one up. So I gotta do like little tests at a time to make sure it holds up and stuff. I don't really want it to pass 50%, or like 51% is, you know, around there. Around there, that's pretty good. If it goes down to like that, then I'll end up definitely getting another battery. You know, because I want to try to stretch out the longevity of the batteries, and I go down a lot low. So I probably need about, who knows, about 10-12 hours of battery power for an overnight, just in case by the time the sun comes and rises up about 7 o'clock. So I'm just gonna crimp these. I just take one of these, put the wire in there, insert the wire in there, and then I just drop them right under there somewhere. And then I'm just gonna insert it in here, boom, like that, with the wire inserted, and I just crimp it, and then I'm just gonna put it there. Pretty much it. But I gotta unscrew those. So that's it. That's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace. I'm out.